Turn up the city, I'm beating the odds. Even the odds gotta look. I'm talking hundreds on hundreds. I'm talking money to clothes. Keep your hands up. Church service, watch a nigga preach. Love my stock and charge these boys a fee. Tell my brother stay from out these streets. Baby mama's happy cause I'm up. Don't know why cause you ain't getting nothing. Got my daughter's purse going dumb.
Hey, should we race that 5.0 right there? Races
I just did 200 in a month. Bear line told me it ain't nothing. I'm talking money to clothes. I'm finna fuck up this summer.
No lie. I ain't gonna lie. It feel good to be back in this motherfucker. We gotta get some horsepower though, man. That bitch still slow. We gotta get some horsepower. He definitely gotta get some horsepower. Get you one. I think I'm gonna get me a custom tag next. I don't know. What's the name of the thing? What do you mean, Frank? Got me little fun.
Fucking up the summer. I play the back and turn my youngers up, feel like my niggas shit. I'm in Miami, feeling hungry, no 5-star sipping, eating lobster.
I put that little shirt on, man.
We hit the block, look like we dropped the nuke.
Come on now. Alright, let me stop playing, man. Motherfucker got that shit off on my head. I gotta see what the fuck wrong with that bitch. Stall the fuck out. Oh, God. Playing, man. I just filled it up last night, man. I put half a tank on the shit, about to go on E again. I've been playing with the gas all night and shit. I just gotta go get some goddamn alignment. My steering wheel, I don't know if y'all see it, but yeah. That motherfucker is not. See if my wipers work today. Oh, God. It's been a whole year since I used my goddamn wipers. We gon' see though, we gon' see. Them bitches loud as hell.
Hey, man, don't talk me to death. Let's talk about the best. Ain't nobody hold my hand, had to walk by myself. I got hunger in my face, I got diamonds on my chest. Never know when they on you, so I said it on my lip. Nigga, you must be a college grad. Ooh, ooh. Man, I made a living off of YouTube. I gon' fuck with that, but you cool. 2130 just for 2 shoes. Yeah, nigga like me ain't even had to pick the mic up, man. I had to promise some future in this bag, shit, you heard me? Run this shit in me. Can't make this shit up, nigga. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. You starving, I get this shit regardless, I'm telling you. I'm busy, bitch, can't fit you on my schedule. I want revenue.
So we'll be alright though. Yeah, chat though, man. I am. I keep calling y'all chat. I gotta stop GTA live streaming for real. But nah, though, man. Yeah, that's it, man. I'm finna go in the crib and fucking eat.